Ready to supercharge your crypto journey? Let's dive right into funding your Bitvavo account. First, head over to Bitvavo and log into your account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and double-check the website address to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're logged in, find the deposit button, usually located on the main dashboard or in your account settings. Click on it to start the deposit process. Now you'll see a list of available payment methods. Bitvavo supports various options like bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and other popular payment platforms. Select the method that works best for you. In this tutorial, we will use Ideal. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Be aware of any minimum or maximum deposit limits specified by Bitvavo. Make sure you enter the correct amount. You'll be directed to a confirmation page. Review all the details carefully, ensuring the amount and payment method are correct. Confirm that all the details are correct and click Continue. You will be redirected to your chosen payment provider's website or app. Follow their instructions to complete the transaction. This might involve logging into your bank account or verifying the payment through their security protocols. Once the payment is processed, you'll typically be redirected back to Bitvavo. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your deposit was successful. The funds will usually appear in your account within a few minutes, depending on the payment method. And that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Bitvavo account. Now you're ready to start trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.